everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and I hope everyone's doing good out there. I'm going to do a short intro today because I want to explain what I'm doing without having to try to do it while I'm painting. I have my original Lazy Susan that I tried where I had my warping and measles. I've sanded it all down. It's nice and flat and it's prepared properly now. It's got a coat of varnish with primer on it. So I think we're good to go. What I've got are my colors, my 24 karat gold, my nickel azo gold by Glidden, a combination of ArtMinds and Zinc white by Glidden, which is this one. This is a similar palette as what I've done before. This is Sky Blue Topaz by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. And then my anthrax blue, my anthraquinone blue by Glidden. Got my multi-pro, and my American Floetrol black and white cell activator. So what I'm going to do on this is I'm going to do a swipe similar to the one that I did on the black one. It came out spectacular. And I'm going to use the palette knife that I used the first time on that one, the large one. And I'm going to do 2 swipes. And you will see as we go along. I'm just laying down the pillow. And I don't want to go too crazy. I want to have enough, but not so much that I'm making a big mess. Let's give this a whirl and see if I can get this to spread a little bit. And it spreads very easily. Okay, is that a bubble? Okay, there we go. Okay, my instinct is to add more paint, but I'm going to resist it. Okay, so here's my palette knife. Let me start loading up the cell activator. Can you see me? Let me adjust the camera again. Okay, now you can see me. Let me move this forward too. We'll figure it all out as we go. Okay, so let's put down some white. I hope I have enough white here. I might not have enough white, but that's okay. I've got another batch I can use. All right, the black, give it a mix. Spread the white out a little bit. All right, let's start layering colors. I don't know how people can do this. I do not have the coordination. Well, yet. And I wanted to try doing a swipe because I just wanted to try a swipe. And since I had pretty good success with the black creation, I wanted to try swiping off the palette knife again. The more you do it, the more you're going to get better at it. Practice makes perfect. Don't I know? You know, I used to be pretty athletic, so I played sports, so I practiced a lot. And practice does make perfect. Maybe not perfect, but it makes improvement. All right, I got paint falling off everywhere here. Oh, I guess I got enough paint. Did not want to do that. First day, been able to open up the windows and doors in a while. It's beautiful outside. Makes you want to go outside. All right, last is the gold. Let me clean out the front of this thing because I got paint coming everywhere over here. Okay. Okay, so I have something in mind. My idea is to do like this, 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 and come around, come off that way, and then turn around, do the same thing going in the other direction. So let's see if I'm able to pull it off. All right. Ooh. Actually, I wasn't going to go that way. Now that I look at it, I wanted to come back around, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this and come this way. That'll work. Okay, let me go get some white cell activator. Here's more of the white. I'm gonna skip this part. You don't need to see me remixing stuff. So I'm gonna double time here. I'm doing the same thing in the same order as the first swipe. Let's load her up. Always mix your cell activator before you get ready to use it. Okay, so that's the white. Do some black. This is my anthrax blue, my anthraquinone blue by Glidden. Go to the sky blue Topaz. So everyone, this is my ArtMinds combination Antique Aqua with the Oxide white by Glidden. Then of course my Nicolazo gold by Glidden, and then I'll be finishing it off with my 24 karat gold by DecoArt. No lack of color here. Let's slip this a little bit that direction. Okay. All right, bottoms up. Whoa. Okay, interesting colors. I might just have to play with this a little bit. I'm not sure what I want to do. Let's play. All right, everyone, in the interest of time, I'm going to double time. This was a 25-minute video. I needed to cut back a little bit. So you can see what I'm doing. I've just got my little palette knife out, doing some scooping and dragging, and just some guiding some paint around with the palette knife, and just playing, looking at it, seeing where I think I want it to spread out a little bit, always thinking about what's going to happen when I start to spin it. So I'll be quiet for now, and I'll turn on some music. Here. Let's just put a little bit of paint down in the spots that are going to roll, although it's probably going to spin off anyway. So everyone, I'm going to double time again through here. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just adding a little more flow paint to the sides and edges, and where I don't need more paint, I'm just going to stretch it with the stick to the edges, so that when I get ready to spin, I'll have good flow paint to get me to the sides. Also, I'm going to tilt it a little bit and get the composition all ready to go in the way I want it oriented and set up before I start to spin. Gentle spin. We're already losing a bunch of paint, all right. All right. Get my recycled paint ready. Another gentle spin. So I'm going to skip ahead a little bit through here. All I'm doing is making sure that the pillow paint is covering the sides. Here we go. We got flow. Very nice. Getting good coverage. Good spread. Oh, this is just really amazing. Wow. This is beautiful. Of course, what I set out to do, I didn't end up doing. I wanted to have the swipe wider in the middle, more spread, but I forgot. So what I've got here is a straight swipe, it looks like. But I'm telling you, you live and you learn, you practice. These colors are fantastic. Move the camera back a little bit. Just making sure I've got everything covered. This is my American Floetrol cell activator. This is crazy. So I'm jumping ahead here in spots just through the cleanup portion. I like to get it to go this way a little bit more. But I'll tell you what, I think this is pretty done. Whoops, that's airflow. Wow. I think I'm done. I don't think I need to do anything else with this thing. Except for keep cleaning. Okay, I think it's finally settling. Yeah, I'm gonna call that done. I'll get you a flyover in a second. So everyone, here's a flyover close up, and this came out really cool. So I want to remind everybody, this Thursday, we have our Rock and Pour collaboration starting at 6:30, so please join us there for live chat if you can. And at the top right, I'm going to link more Bloom Swipe for my Bloom Swipe playlists if you want to take a look at some more tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell, leave comments and a thumbs up. I'd love to hear what you guys think, and we'll see you Thursday night, hopefully. Take care now.